Hi, this is Jared, and the morning birds are out. Aww, how cute. These are birds of British Columbia in the Fraser Valley. Oh, there's another one in the yard. Oh, a third one. How cute. Yeah, I wish I could put up bird feeders because, well, I can. Because I love them, but I can't because of wild bears. We live near the forest. But at least they come around here in the morning, especially the sunny mornings. I'm curious to know what kind of birds they are. They are very cute, and they look like some kind of winter finch or a member of the chickadee family. I don't know, but I sure would like to find out. Can someone please post on the comment what kind of bird they are? Me and Marjorie are really curious. Oh, and there's Keon. Hi, Keon. I hope you don't eat any birds. I really hope not. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's as close as I can go. Are you hungry? I'm gonna open the window to see if I can hear them. Now, where did it go? Oh, I guess opening the window scared it away. Oh well. At least I got a good picture of them. Oh, and there's the pool. Ice has melted, thank goodness. This is probably one of the nicest Februarys ever. It's like spring. Oh, there's one. Found one. I'm a good spyer when it comes to birds. I'm a good listener when it comes to their chirping and tweeting. Oh, the fresh air is sure nice this morning. Well, it looks like no more are coming down. Oh, and I did see a robin earlier, which was a sign of spring. Well, I better go now. Bye.